Took me from the wayside, called me on the road, thrown me a lifeline to carry me home. Jesus, you're all I want, you're all I want. Over the horizon is where I look beyond. You're the silver lining breaking through the storm. Jesus, you're all I want, you're all I want.
Good morning, church, and happy Mother's Day. You know, God did not design us to do our spiritual journey alone. That's why we have Connect Up. We have groups available on Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday evenings. So please sign up at the Welcome Center for a great opportunity for fellowship and to dig deeper into the Word. Ladies, are you in need of fellowship and exercise? Don't forget that Faithfully Fit meets every Monday and Thursday at 7 p.m. For more information, visit the Welcome Center. Prayer is very important to us here at Liberty Assembly, and here's the information for our prayer chain. Also, we have a prayer meeting every Sunday morning here in the sanctuary at 9:30 a.m. Don't forget that Friday, May 16th at 7 p.m. is our Mission Possible banquet. Here's more on that.
Good morning, Mr. Matt. Your mission, should you accept it, is to find pulled pork for next Friday night's Mission Impossible. This tape will self-destruct in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yes, finally I'm safe.